So let's talk about this. What are coefficients and what are terms? What are terms and what are coefficients when it comes to algebra and we're thinking about it? So let's look at this first. So let's look at what are terms, right? A very simple way to think about a term is that a term is just the different parts of an expression. So we talked about algebraic expressions, just kind of mean like a mathematical sentence, if you will. Well, a term is just a part of the expression. So right here where you see 2x minus 4, well, 2x is a term and 4 is a term. So both of those two parts, if you will, of this algebraic expression are terms, right? And then very simply, when you look at it like that, then what are coefficients? Coefficients are just the number portions of a term where there's a variable involved. So let's see right here, we have 2x minus minus 5x to the fourth power. So both 2 and 5 are the number parts of those terms, if you will, and those terms both have variables as associated with them. So it's also good to keep in mind because sometimes you'll hear it be talked about in terms of a coefficient being a part of a term with a variable that's raised to a power. Well, if you notice right there, you have x. Any number that's raised to the first power is just itself. So a lot of times you won't see x raised to the first power, but it's technically raised to a power anyway. So we're just really talking about the numbers that are part of terms that have variables with them when we talk about coefficients, and we're talking about just the terms themselves, the different parts of an expression. So let's take a look at this example and see if we can get it. As we look at this example right here, we have two terms. We have 3x squared and we minus 5x squared. These are terms, right? So both of them are terms in this algebraic expression. And the coefficients are 3, that's the number part of this term, and the number 5. So that will be the coefficient, 3 and 5. Those are coefficients. So we'll do more about it. And also, thinking about it, these are actually like terms, and we can actually combine them. We're going to talk about that next. But wanted to share this with you. Hope you have a good one. Talk to you soon.